During the more than 40 years that I have been working in a research lab now, the biological problem that has centered our efforts is cell division. The emphasis, the importance of cell division cannot be overemphasized. Cell division is fundamental for life itself. So now what we're doing is to study a tumor which is called Ewing's sarcoma. It's a pediatric tumor which affects children and young adults. And my lab is now we are actively investigating some of the changes that occur in the cells of this tumor, which we believe may hold clues to identify possible therapeutic interventions in the future. There were two major reasons for me to join IRB, two major contributors. One is ICREA. ICREA is the Catalan Institution for Research and Advanced Studies, and ICREA is the responsible element for the incredible development of research in Catalonia in the last 20 years. And getting a position at ICREA as a research professor made it very easy for me to join IRB Barcelona. The second is obviously IRB Barcelona itself. As they would put it in the movies, they made me an offer I could not refuse. That included support, very generous support, both in terms of technical, space, financial, and so on, which together with an excellent scientific environment made it a perfect place for me to move in. And the object I brought today is a replica which I have built myself of Antonie van Leeuwenhoek's microscope. This instrument embodies, in my opinion, what research is all about. Let me explain that. We all know what microbes are. We know they are very important for our lives, for many purposes. What we do not know, what most people do not know, is that microbes were discovered serendipitously. Nobody planned to discover microbes. Van Leeuwenhoek, 400 years ago, driven exclusively by the urge to know, to understand the world, decided to build a microscope that would allow him to see what may be lurking below the scale resolution, which is visible to the human eye. What applies to microbes and microbiology applies to any other aspect of science and industry. Every single application we know of nowadays has eventually been implemented through applied research directed to a purpose, but all those sorts of applied research would not have been possible without the contribution of basic science, of basic research. Without basic research, there is no future, there is no prosperity.